Good morning all. In today's session, we will discuss about unit second, and unit second name is market segmentation, targeting and positioning. After learning this unit, you will be able to understand the importance of segmentation. You can identify the basis of segmentation. You can appreciate the significance of targeting the market. You can know about the strategy of targeting the market, learn the role and importance of positioning, and comprehend the various strategies of positioning. So in unit second, market segmentation, targeting and position, these all are three steps. Segmentation is first step, targeting is second step, and positioning is third step. So all steps are interrelated. In this, the major question is there. In examiner can ask, define STP. STP full form is segmentation, targeting and positioning. Let's start now. Whenever a producer decide to produce a product, that product may not be suitable for consumption for everyone. Generally, it happens if a company is producing any product, this product cannot be used by every user. The demand for the product may be changed for different users. User can demand for different products. So, to find out how much percentage of users are liking your company product, to differentiate how much percentage of customers are demanding for your product, we need to segment the market. We need to divide the market, and for dividing the market, we need to define the term segmentation. Basically, market segmentation is termed as to divide a market in small pieces or to subdivide a market in sub pieces. Market segmentation divides a heterogeneous type of market into homogeneous type of market. What is heterogeneous type of market? Heterogeneous means in this mixture number of customers are available. Out of mixture customer, to find out the person who are demanding for the similar category of product. Like take the example of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has produced two products. Coca-Cola for general public. Second is Coca-Cola Diet for health conscious and diabetic people. Now the question arises, how it is done? It is done by different strategies, by different bases. So before doing the basis of segmentation, firstly we need to define what is market segmentation. So market segmentation can be defined as the process of dividing the total heterogeneous market into relatively distinct homogeneous subgroup of customers with similar need or characteristics. It means demand for the product will be similar. Therefore, we can also say that market segment is the portion of large market in which individual, group or organization share one or more characteristics that cause them to have relatively similar product need. Like take the example in this diagram, a mixture of market is there, and upper side it is shown that it is your heterogeneous market. All type of persons are included. To find out red color combination, to find out blue color or gray color combination is dividing the segmentation, and that such type of segmentation is called market segmentation, to divide the customer of equal demanding product. Now basically two broad categories of markets are there: consumer market and business market. What is consumer market? When a particular person buy the product for their own consumption, buy the product for their personal use. Whereas in business market, business industries buy the product and services for use in their organization or production unit for producing goods and services. Since these markets are quite different from each other, in business market a buyer will buy the product for production of other product, while in consumer market a buyer will buy the product for their personal use. This is the difference. Now multiple bases are there. Basis for segmentation of marketing can be divided in four categories. First category is geographic segmentation, second one is demographic, third one is psychographic, and fourth one is behavioral. Now let's start with geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation is further divided in three categories on the basis of different regions, on the basis of climate changes, on the basis of different states. Let's start now with geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation means segmenting the market on the basis of geography. It means on the basis of location. Geographic segmentation focuses on dividing the whole market into different geographic units such as region, states, urban, rural, climates, etc. People residing in different geographic location may be having different need. They can demand for different product. For example, people living in the rainy areas can demand for raincoats, they can demand for umbrellas, boats and so on. But people who are living in deserts area would not be requiring these such items. Other example is also there. Location to location food habits are going to be changed. In North India, food item demand is different. In South India, different flavor are liked by person. In West, different food habits are required. So food habits are also changing on the basis of geographic location. North, south, east, west, everywhere the culture for food habit is different. So divide the segment, divide the food habit on the basis of their location is under the category of geographic segmentation. Now next is demographic segmentation, to divide the market on the basis of age factor, to divide the factor market on gender, income basis, educational level, occupational level and religion. Demographic segmentation is done on the basis of demography of our country. The demography means the composition of human being population of a country. Therefore, demographic segmentation may be based on the factors of like age factor, income level factor, gender factor, educational level, religion, occupation and so on. So, the taste and needs of people of different age group are different. Children needs like toys, books and chocolates, while needs of elders is different. So, the marketer has to see that which item or which product they have produced is all age product, all age group people or for a particular age group. If the product is for a particular age group, they will have to identify that segment and target the segment only. Now, similarly, the marketer can also segment his market on the basis of gender. How much percentage of male percentage is there, how much is female percentage is. Like if a company is producing, you can speak Horlicks. Horlicks is the product for junior age children. So what happen? Company will try to identify that how much percentage of children are there that are from age to 6 to 14. So they can divide the market on the basis of teenage, adults or child. Income level, they can divide the market on the basis of high profile person, middle income group or low income person. Generally some items are there which are demanded by high income group persons only, because due to higher cost, due to not a general requirement, a general category person will not demand for an item. A specific, it means to say high income person can demand for a particular product. On the basis of educational level, suppose like take the example of newspaper or take the example of magazine. Magazine requirement can be dependent on the basis of education level. How much percentage is literate or how much is illiterate. So market will be divided on the basis of product type. Which type of product company is selling, they will divide the market accordingly. And occupation level, how much skilled workers are there, how much non-skilled workers are there. Example is the railway. Railway provide AC first class, second class, third class. So all classes are divided on the basis of profile of person or income level of person. Generally high profile person will like to prefer AC first class. Next part is psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation is the segmentation done on the basis of social class, lifestyle and the personality characteristics of a person. It means psychographic segmentation involves assessing people on their basic thinking, liking the product, disliking the product, behavior and feelings of the person about the product. People belonging to the demographic segment might possess different psychographic traits. For example, if two brothers are living in the same house but they can demand for different product on the basis of their personality level, on the basis of their lifestyle, because some person believe in branded item and some person believe in general item. So depend upon the situation which type of liking and disliking is going on. Some person are there that are more health conscious, so they will try to find out the product that is healthy for their lifestyle. So a market is divided on the basis of their personality level. Social class, it means middle level, high profile or general level person, or a lifestyle. they like to prefer branded items or they like to prefer general items. So psychographic segmentation is done on the basis of personality, social class and lifestyle, which they like or which they dislike. Next is behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation is done on the basis of usage on occasional, benefit sort, loyalty status and user status. Now, in this type of segmentation, marketers divide the buyers on the basis of behavior pattern. Segmentation is basically done on the basis of occasions like Diwali, Dussehra, Mother Day, Father Day, Rose Day and so on. Multiple occasions are there. On specific occasion, some companies are producing the specific products. So they will divide the market on Deepavali how much percentage of person will like to prefer your company product. This is the concept of on the basis of behavioral segmentation. Some are dependent upon the benefit sort, how much beneficial for you. Like Fair and Lovely is preferred as to become fairer. Head and Shoulder for dandruff-free hair. How much percentage of people are satisfied? It depends upon the status of your product, or how much regular customers are there, how much non-regular customers are there, what is the loyalty of your product, how much loyal customer you are having. These all segmentation are divided on the basis of behavior of particular person. Next is understanding segmentation done now. Next is how segmentation is done. Segmentation is done on the basis of different age level. Suppose an organization has to decide to focus on manufacturing shoes for children. In developing the segmentation for this product, marketer will have to decide age group of the children. He decide to take the children in the age of 1 to 10 year age segmentation. Then he has to decide whether he would be focusing on girls or boys. His segment would be shoes for girls in the age of 1 to n accordingly, or frame the multiple strategies. Some examples are also there, like magazine segmentation can be done on the basis of literacy status, gender, occupation and social class, while shoe segmentation can be done on the basis of gender level, income level and benefits. Third one, shampoo can be segmented on the basis of benefits and age factor. Toothpaste can be segmented on the basis of benefits, and clothes can be segmented on the basis of gender, income level, age, social class and personality. Now, what is the requirement of effective segmentation? A marketer should select a segment that fulfill the following requirement. Segment should be measurable. It could be measured very easily. Segment selected should be capable of measurement. It means that data should be available to define the segment. For example, number of females in a country can be measured, but number of people who love partying cannot be measured. So it should be measurable. Second one, the segment should be accessible. Accessibility is the major issue. If segment is not accessible, it cannot be performed. Accessibility means the segment should be within the reach or within the limit of company. Company can easily apply it on their production. Third one, the segment should be substantial or large. So the segment that is selected, it should be large enough so the production can be done for that segment. It should boundary should be large accordingly that can be performed. Segment should be feasible. It means it should be segment should be capable of being practically served. It can be implemented, and as per the cost specified, it should be effective. If company is spending 10 lakh rupees on production more, then company will expect 50 lakh income from the production part also. So it should be cost effective. And fifth one, the segment should be different. Every segment so selected should be different. All kind of overlapping in segment can lead to confusion and chaos. So the report submitted for segmentation should not be create any confusion. There should be no any overlapping. So overlapping should be reduced. In this session, we have covered about what is segmentation, what is market segmentation, consumer segmentation, business segmentation, basis of segmentation. In next video, we will discuss about targeting and positioning of the product. Thank you so much.